clean finish and stuff. Really shiny finish. Clean. What is up, ElizuSquad? Today I got an unboxing video for us today. And I'm really surprised because my dad, not surprised, I'm really happy because my dad just sent me this fresh G-Shock watch. And it's going to be super dope. It's a cool white one. And it's definitely about to be juicy for real. That it? Yep, that's all that good stuff. Alright, here go the little casing part. A little manual, I guess. This boy is clean. Ooh. Alright, keep watching me. You wanna get in the video? Hey, so this is my little bro right here, and this is his friend Angelo, and right now they're just reacting to me with my watch. Yeah, shout out to my dad for doing this one. He a real beast. His watch is so clean.
This is the last taco.
And this boy is clean.
You got the same one as Angelo, but it's just a smaller version.
You got a G-Shock too? Yeah.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Zuzi on the track.
Scissors in there.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out
Alright,
here?
there you go. This boy is clean. Look at it.
Is it the one that you was watching?
Yeah, this is the one I was looking at. This is the exact one.
Is it waterproof?
It's waterproof. Come on, it is.
Shockproof?
Yeah, shockproof. Yeah, shock resistant. It's water resistant.
Oh yeah, this case. Oh.
I'm keeping it.
20 bar.
Ooh.
G-Shock since 1983. Shock resistant.
The boy's clean. Yeah, shout out to my boy. I mean, not my boy. Shout out to my dad for giving me this watch. This watch is super clean. I like it a lot. I don't know how to set it, but I'm gonna look at that manual, and we're gonna set this thing. It looks real clean. Looks real clean. And shout out to my dad for doing that for real. He lives in Miami, by the way. This thing is super clean. Hey, you never know. You Alright, well, that's it for today. That's the video, and I hope you guys liked it. And I'll be back next week. Alright. Psych.
Ooh, yeah. Look on. Yeah. Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, walking in the trap like a boss. Ooh, walking in the trap like a boss. Walking in the trap like a boss. Ooh, walking in the trap like a boss. Yeah, I came in with a sauce. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw. Ooh, walking in the trap red flare. Ooh, fuck a nigga, bitch, don't care.
Hey guys, I hope you guys liked that video and subscribe, and hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did, because boy, I enjoyed it. So I hope you guys like it, and make sure you always be part of ElizuSquad. Hey, and stay Gucci.